In a major step towards ushering in sustainable transportation, Indian Railways is planning to launch the country's first hydrogen-powered train service by the end of March or during the first week of April, according to reports. With a 1,200 horsepower capacity, this hydrogen train is among the world's most powerful, surpassing similar models with 500 to 600 HP engines. It will generate electricity using fuel cells, combining hydrogen and oxygen, producing only water vapor as a byproduct.
Hydrogen train. There are only 4 countries in the world which have been able to develop a hydrogen train. And most of the countries have developed trains with the capacity of about 500, 600 horsepower. We in India decided to take that as a challenge, and we have developed successfully, using our own engineers, using our own talent, a hydrogen train which is 1,200 horsepower.
The launching of the hydrogen-powered train services will place India among global leaders in green mobility, alongside Germany, France, China, and the UK. With the railways allocating 2,800 crore rupees to develop hydrogen fuel cell-based trains, the RDSO, Research Design and Standards Organization, developed the specifications, ensuring the technology is fully indigenous. The ICF, Integral Coach Factory in Chennai, has built the train. It is likely to be operated on the 89 km Jinsonipat route under Northern Railways Delhi division. Indian Railways is also setting up hydrogen production, storage, and refueling infrastructure, with safety approvals in place.
At this point of time, the highest capacity hydrogen train, the power train, which has been developed for 1,200 horsepower, that power train can tomorrow be used in large trucks, that can be used in large construction equipment. That same powertrain can be used in boats, tugboats, pilot boats. So the spin-off effects of developing a technology indigenously, that is huge.